Hello there, welcome to my channel. Once again, my name is Andrew Semaganda, and today I'm going to show you how a document management system works. DMS means document management system. I'm going to first explain the meaning of document management system. Um, Without further ado, document management system in simple terms means keeping documents in a digital format, as opposed to keeping documents in paper-based format. So the document management system I'm going to illustrate to you is based on PHP. As you can see, it is developed on PHP technology and MySQL. Basically, DMS, document management systems, are very important in organizations that want to keep documents in digital formats. Documents can be receipts, they can be invoices, they can be pro forma invoices, they can be purchase orders. All that can be kept in digital format rather than keeping documents in a paper form. And without further ado, I'm going to talk about the benefits of a document management system. There are quite a number of the benefits of a document management system, and the first one, you save paper. You don't need to keep paper-based documents, so you save paper if you use document management system. You receive a lot on costs in terms of the purchases you would have made on paper. You receive costs you would not be able to. You don't need to buy paper, so you receive on that. You receive space because remember, the box files take a lot of space in office. You have a lot of space saved if you use the document management system. You don't need to buy filing cabinets. You don't need to buy box files, as all documents will be saved on a document management system. So when I say DMS in full, it is document management system. DMS is easier to use when it comes to retrieval of documents rather than going through a series of box files and checking out different filing cabinets. For document management system, it is just a click away. You'll be able to retrieve the document, and then you also be able to increase customer satisfaction if you are dealing with if you are in service. Probably you are dealing with, if you are a lawyer and you are dealing with your clients and you want to retrieve documents, it will be faster for you to get documents from the document management system rather than checking documents out from the box files. And then at the end of this video, I will be able to give you a link that you'll be able to download with all the codes, and you can develop this document management system framework I've come up with a little further to suit your needs. For example, you can change the logo, change the colors to suit the colors of your company, and change a couple of things, but the most important thing is for me to illustrate how this document management system works. So you can see on this document management system I've come up with, you have a main page. We are on the main page here. The main page is it reads document management system here, and it has a logo here, and as I said, you can be able to change the logo. Of course, you need an understanding of HTML and the understanding of PHP. Refer to my videos on HTML and PHP. And then when I click on login, because someone has to log in to be able to perform a couple of functions, for example, retrieve the documents or upload the documents. So when I click on login, it takes me to this page where I can log into the document management system. It can take me to the register, where I can register myself to use the document management system. If I'm not on the system, so here it says you must be authorized to register on this system. So you can see I'm able to select my username, the password, confirm password, then full name, and I can also be able to select the location of where I want to keep my documents. For example, it could be Kampala or whatever location you want, maybe a central place. You can add as many locations as you want. So when I click back, you can see I'm able to when I click on go to main page, it takes me back here. When I click on register, again takes me here to register. So yeah, I can register a sample user, say Andre, and I give password, simple password, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. I confirm password. This is just for illustration, and then I can Andre S, and then I can select a location that I'm located, say in Kampala. Say that's the kind of folder you use to upload your login. I can be able to log in, but I'd already created a user by names of Semaga, so I use Semaga. Let me now try to use the user I created, such that we can navigate through this document management system. And I put my password, and then I log in. So you can see I've logged in as Andre S. That's my full name. Kampala, I'm in Kampala location. So I'm going to upload documents in Kampala folder. I already created a folder called Kampala, and this is how the interface looks for a document management system. And you'll be able to have dashboard. When I click on dashboard, I will be able to search for records, and when I click on admin, this is coming soon. Again, as I say, this is just a framework. You can develop a little further. Admin, people who are supposed to do to work on areas that should be kept confidential, and then people who should be able to assign user rights. Then I can view admin. I can add a user. I can also view user. I can add a document. I can also create a folder. Okay, if I want to create a folder, then I log out. So if I click log out, it logs me out. But the most important parts I'm going to explain basically how to add a document. So when I click add document, you will see that I am able to choose files. So I have a folder here which is called I called it okay, I called it Kampala. Here you can see folder I'd already uploaded some documents. So this is the folder where my documents will be captured. But however, I've also created what we call a MySQL database, whereby I'll be capturing the details about these documents I'll be uploading. So basically, if you are not well versed with MySQL, again you need to refer to other videos on MySQL. I've not done videos on MySQL, but you can find so many videos on MySQL. I hope to do some videos in future, but this is where you'll find the documents information captured. You can see file name, location, creation date, file size, etc. And then when I got back to my system, this is the system. I can be able to choose files. So when you click on choose files, I'm going to choose some files here, some old files here. These documents can be either MS Word documents, they can be Microsoft Excel document, Microsoft Word, they can be PDF documents, they can be images, they can be any sort of documents. So let me upload these images. I consider these as my documents for just purposes of illustration. So you can see I've selected a number of documents here which are images. When I select that, and it says 8 files have been selected, and they are going to be uploaded in a folder or in a location called Kampala. So you realize that these are the files that have been selected. We can see we have 0262, the very first one. We shall check whether it has gone to the folder. And when I click on upload, click here upload, you'll see it gives you information that the 8 files have been successfully uploaded. Of course, you need to take cognizance of the fact that not all documents should be uploaded. If they are too heavy, you need to put control. So this control of mine is at 500 MBs. If someone uploads anything above GB, it will be rejecting those documents. So here it says file uploaded successfully. Remember, DSCN0262 JPEG is one of my documents, and you can see all these documents have been uploaded successfully. So when I click on again back to add document, I can as well look for some documents which are maybe Microsoft Word. Let me look for some documents, and let me take, say, these two, this one and this one, and I try to upload. So you can see one is uploaded successfully, but this one was already uploaded. That's why it says file upload failed. Please try again. It seems the file with the same name or account number is already uploaded. So I'd already uploaded that. It means that it will have a check. Someone will not be able to upload files which are already uploaded. So but however, this consolidated is uploaded. So let's check again. Add another. Let's add another set of documents. Maybe I just pick here. Yeah, let me upload this. You can see I can upload all of these. Okay, I'm going to upload. Open. I'm going to upload 13. So remember some of the documents we uploaded. Okay, there's an invoice. There's one which was called consolidated. You need to check if they are appearing in the folder and also in the database. So you click on upload, give it time. It uploads automatically. Some of them have not been uploaded, and this is due to the fact that they are already uploaded or the file sizes are too big. And when we find that some of these are not uploaded, what you do, you need to ask the user to reduce on the file size. But most likely this one was already uploaded in the document management system. So let's confirm if these files are really appearing in our database, the information that is appearing in our database, not the actual files themselves. In the database, you keep the information about the file. However, you keep the actual file in a folder to make the system more robust. So let me check. As we can see, if we check the last documents uploaded, you remember we had the invoice here. You remember that it is uploaded. You remember consolidated, it's uploaded. You can see it even gives you the time when the document was uploaded. It even gives you the file size. And also you remember the D was it DSCN02 020 something like that. Let me see whether it is here. I think it was DSN 0 220. I didn't note down, but it is uploaded. All those DSN we uploaded here. So I think you get the idea. This is the information on our files we uploaded, but the actual file, you'll find it in this folder here. So you can see, if you remember the documents we uploaded invoice. Here it's appearing here. You remember we also uploaded a file called consolidated. So if I click on C, consolidated, you can see it is here. And I also uploaded a file with a couple of files which are image files. Most of them are here. They have been uploaded successfully. I think you remember this file, which is one of the files that we uploaded successfully. So you can see, be able to organize your files very well without using hard copies or without using papers, and you keep information in digital format. So the question is, how do we really check out the files we uploaded? So you just come to dashboard here. If I want to see all the files I've uploaded, I just click on search. It gives me all the files that have been uploaded. The most recent files are here, and they are all organized, quite very many. You remember we uploaded consolidated. So when I click on consolidated, it opens that file. So you see it has opened that file. When I click, you see now this is how it makes life easier for you to retrieve documents. So these are some of the files we uploaded for this file. This is, I'm sure it's a picture. It opens that picture. So as you're looking for your documents, it is very easy to navigate through this system. But however, I may be interested in a particular file. For example, if I'm not so sure, I can say, there's a file on invoice. So even if I put info and I do search, it brings that file invoice. You can see this invoice. You see, okay. It has to open in Word, Excel. So when I click here, open in Word, not Excel. It has to open in Word. It will open the file. So again, if I want to check a file, maybe what are some of the files I've uploaded? A file which has maybe DS. We had a number of files with image. With the image, so let me say DSC. So if I put DSC, it will bring all files with DSC. You can see, oh, these are the files with the DSC, and you choose the file you want. So go back to dashboard. You can even select from the list of files. They will be here organized according to the way you want. You can, of course, in the coding, you can organize them according to the order, descending, ascending. So when I click on this file here, say that one, I'll be able to search it, and it will appear here. You can see the benefits of using this system, because you can even share this system across the network, such that the authorized users will be able to have access on this document management system. So you can as well create folders. So when I click on create folders, I just get this. Before I go to that, but I want to show you that if you don't select anything here, again you get all the documents. And for this one, of course, if you don't select again anything, let's see what we get. Again, we get all. So I think that is very clear. Then if you want to create a folder, you can also create a folder. So assuming that we wanted to keep our documents in, say, a folder called say North. We have maybe a section called North. That's where I want to create our document. So once I click create folder, it will say folder created. So when I go back and try again to create the folder north, assuming that I want to test whether it can create two folders north, it will say folder already exists. And of course, there's a possibility that some users will not type in and just say create folder when actually it's asking enter folder name. So when you do that, it will create that folder. But again, as I said, you can continue putting controls in the code to make sure that if someone doesn't put a proper name, the folder will not be created. So the folder created, I can show you where the folder is. We created the folder called north. So you see here, this is the folder. Now, assuming that we wanted to update, put information in that folder again, you can configure the system to do that. In short, that's what I have to share with you on this document management system. This is just a simple framework which can be fully developed to a robust system that can serve an organization and also save money for the organization. And the organization will be able to keep documents in a digital format, and in that way even become more efficient to manage the organization or the company. Once again, you can continue developing this application according to your needs, and once you're done with using the system, you can always say click on log out. So when I log out, it logs me out, so it takes me back to login. You can also go back to main page. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how you can develop a document management system without even purchasing very expensive document management system from the market. You can develop your own. You can get your team in your company, the developers, and they come up with such a system that will save you money and also make you more efficient in the operations of the company. With that, I'm going to request you to please like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and hit the notification button if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bye for now, and look forward to uploading more videos that can support your business and also make you more efficient. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.